In this video, I'll show you step by step how beginners do product research on Amazon FBA in 2025. Make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Log into Amazon and browse categories you're interested in. Look for items with high demand but not oversaturated. Step 2. Use a research tool like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, or AMZ Scout to check product demand, monthly sale, and competition levels. Step 3. Focus on product with consistent demand, profit margin above 30%, and fewer than 300 reviews. Step 4. Analyze seasonality by checking sales history and trends. Avoid products that only sell well for a short season. Step 5. Validate suppliers by checking Alibaba or other sourcing platforms to confirm production cost. Step 6. Shortlist products and keep a spreadsheet to compare margins, reviews, and potential suppliers. And that's how you can do Amazon FBA product research step by step in 2025. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.